tātou, we're here at the Bay of Islands. Well, Api and I. Suak had to go to training. The winterless north, he reckons. It was raining yesterday, but today we're finally out on the water. Gonna have a fish. See how we go.
Mauni's going on.
You got that burley tied to the boat, eh?
Yep.
Ngā kawe kawe. Oh, oi! Holy!
Patience game.
We chucked the first one back because we're the descendants of Tāne. Right now we're in the realm of Tangaroa. And this one's too small anyway, so she's back in there.
What's the kōrero here? Do they bigger ones come once the little ones come, or?
Hey, did you fellas give us the titoy bait over here? No, you fellas are slanging it.
Some bigger one. Oh! Wow, how good's the north, man? The bros must have stitched us up. They must have brought us to the kohanga reo.
Suak, man. You gotta get back from training, brother.
Yeah.
Come show us your spots, man. Yo, bara! Oh,
What's
there's
this?
Ika. Trevally? Trevally, eh? Trevally whānau. How te kupu Māori te ao?
Ara.
Ara ara.
Nah. Oh well. It's the story of the day. We've probably caught about 30, 40 fish, but they're all about this size. We caught a keeper, 31. Api measured it and he's like, nah, that's too small. And then we realized 30 is the legal size, so we got one trevally and one tamure. Two legal ones, but one was thrown back along with this one.